Hello, good afternoon. This is David Seto. I want to talk to you today about the moving average indicator, but I want to show you something else I've been working with. Um, I've had a lot of complaints about Markets World in general and the prices not matching Metatrader 4 or whatever. And I've been looking at a lot of different brokers, right? And pretty much every broker, the price does not match Metatrader 4. So, doing a lot of research and stuff, I come up with an kind of a solution. There's other platforms besides Metatrader 4, and they're all web based, and you don't have to download any software or anything. So the only problem is you can't install custom indicators like you can with Metatrader 4. So, but with the simple moving average indicator that I came up with, the method, you can use this with pretty much any platform. So I want to show you real quick something I came up with. And what you have to do is use, you have to run a software called Microsoft Silverlight. Okay. And you can run it in Internet Explorer or you can run it in Mozilla Firefox. I had some difficulties with Internet Explorer. I don't know why. So I chose Mozilla Firefox. And it's really easy to use. I like it actually better than Internet Explorer. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Mozilla Firefox real quick, right? And show you this. Okay. And I already have go to this website here called FreeStockCharts.com. Okay. And I already have this set as my homepage because this is really all I use um, the Mozilla Firefox for. Okay. So when you come here, you can get the premium version, which you can pay for is $20 a month. And I don't know, you get no ads, custom layouts, all this stuff. The free version works perfectly fine. You have little ads on it and stuff like this, but it's not a big deal. So anyhow, go ahead and click the free version right here, right? Run free version, and it's going to load you some charts and different things. And then, okay, once it loads, okay, it's going to look kind of like this. Um, yours won't look exactly like this because I've already loaded indicators and stuff before. As a matter of fact, I had the Bollinger Bands on here, but I don't need the Bollinger Bands, so I'm going to click right here and just remove this. Okay, now let me kind of show you what's going on here. You have all these ads on the right. You cannot get rid of these ads. Over here, you have different assets, different stocks, and different companies, right? You can view their price of their stock, if it's gone up or down or whatever. You have different portfolios. You have to sign in and create an account because that's really for you to be trading like stocks. And like here it has latest news for the last 30 days. If you want to subscribe to different news feeds, really you don't need none of that. So what I do is I go right over here, click this little plus screen that says chart full screen, right? Click that and bring this chart full screen. Now, when you first load it, it's going to say DJ-30, 1 minute. Okay, that should be the same for everybody, right? DJ30 is just a particular company. That's the stock. If you trade stocks, so we do not want to mess with DJ30. So we want to change that to a currency pair. All right, because we're messing with forex, right? So go here to DJ30 and click on that, and then it brings a little thing that says change symbol. Now you can go in here and just type in. I'm going to do Euro USD for right now. And if you notice, it brings up all the different assets, all the different currency pairs that go with the euro. But I'm just going to do Euro USD. Oops. And click that. And then hit only this chart and hit OK. Okay. And then we can go over here. It says add indicator. Now, if you want to add Bollinger Bands or any of these, ADX, stochastics. I had the stochastic oscillator, which is right here, stochastics. You want the stochastics, it brings you your stochastic chart, and just like any other Metatrader 4 or whatever, when the price goes up, down, like here the price shot up and went down, you could place a like 5-minute trade or 10-minute trade or something, you'd win. But I'll let you play with that. I don't worry about stochastics. The only thing I worry about is the moving average indicator, and I'm gonna do it 2 times. Price history, yeah, you can leave it though. Let me remove these real quick because I already had these set up. Okay, leave that alone. All right, yours should look similar to this. Actually, yours probably would look like, let me go to settings, hit plot style. I believe yours will be OHLC bar, HLC bar. Yours would be something like that. Probably have a green bar going up like this. Okay, when you first load it, I believe it looks something like this. And all you do is click on settings and plot style, and then change this to candlestick, right? And what I just do, that should be it. All right, okay. And oh, you can change the color. That's right. Sorry, you don't have to, but this green bar, change it to a lighter color or something. Hit filled. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Okay, and then go back to where it says add indicator here, and go down to moving average, and click on price history. All right, and then click on this edit. All right, and then light color blue is fine, and then period, you want to go ahead and change this to 10. All right, simple. All this is fine, but change the width to whatever size you want. But I like the next to largest. Brings it a little bigger. I don't want too big, and that should be perfect. Click OK, and then we're going to do it again. Hit add indicator. Go down to moving average right here. Okay, and click on price history right here, and put moving average in twice. Now this one I'm going to do the same thing, edit, and you can double click right here and just put 3, and change the color to yellow. And like I said, you can do whatever colors you want. This is just the colors I like. Kind of stands out. Increase the line width, the size of the line, and hit OK. So this is what the basic strategy I've taught before. I showed on my previous video. And whenever this yellow line crosses the blue line, you want to place a trade in that direction. Okay, for 5 minutes. Now, right now I'm on a 1-minute chart, so I'm going to go ahead and click on right here and choose 5 minutes. And it's pretty cool. It says control 3. You have control 1, control 2, control 3. So you can actually, like, I'm going to press control 1. Press on 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, or 5-minute chart. And there's actually a 3-minute chart, but there's no control key for that. So, and I'm going to put on a 5-minute chart, and that's basically all I'm going to do. Now, if you want to add another currency pair, click on this tab right here, and then it's going to bring up another DJ30, right? And then we'll click on this right here, and it's just load USD JPY, right? Brings it up, and then hit only this chart, and OK, and bam, you can put it on 5 minutes. You have to set it up all over again. Be patient with this. I don't know if you get the pro version, if you can like set a certain style and keep a template, but since I'm using a free version, we have to kind of play by the rules. But it's okay. Filled, and that should be good enough for that. 5 minutes, add indicator. It's already got moving average, right? Actually, I'm going to click this, get rid of that. Moving average, price history. Do the same thing again. This time I'm going to double click there, hit 10, blue line, increase the size, done. Do it again, add indicator, moving average, price history, oops, hit edit, okay. Double click here, put 3. I'm going to choose yellow, right? And then line width, increase that size, and done. All right. So I got USD, JPY, Euro USD, and you can do the same for other currency pairs. But I'm just going to stay with this for now for this demonstration. Now it's time to place some trades in the broker. Where is my? There it goes. Oh, it has update. Okay. And what you can do also is down here. You can slide this over right here. It actually zooms in and you can zoom out. Kind of pretty much a time period with. I like to zoom in like right about there, I guess. And do the same thing over here with USD JPY. Let it refresh. Zoom in a little bit more. Should be good enough right there. And you can feel free to go in here and change any settings, play around all these settings. Really, I don't really mess with a whole lot of this, but that's pretty much it. Now for broker, you can use any broker you want. Use Markets World. I recently was trying some new software, and they had me register with a company called Glenridge Capital, but I didn't like the software, but I did keep the broker. They seem to be pretty good, and my computer just locked up. That's okay. Let me stop script. Come on. Oh, come on. All right. Here we go. All right, I'm going to log into my broker real quick. All right. Click login. Takes a few seconds. All right, it automatically brings up Euro USD. And then I'm going to come over here and go to my asset list and go down to USD JPY. I'm going to add that in as well. I like this platform. It's real simple to use. Click expiry and just choose a time frame, on long term or whatever. You can choose up to 2 weeks, 1 year. You can choose 1 year from now. Very few brokers have stuff like this. 26 weeks. Look at that. And this is an excellent company for people living in the United States. Is the reason I chose this company. But I'm going to be sticking with 5-minute trades. All right, and then you just select up or down, whichever one you choose to select. And then after the trade is placed, as long as it stays in the green, you're winning. So it would look like this. It'd be green on the black if you choose up. So anyhow, then you put in the amount you want. The minimum you can trade is $5, and the minimum investment is $250, which is pretty much standard for the vast majority of brokers. So anyhow, let's see here. I'm gonna put up $5 for USD JPY and $5 for Euro USD. And put 5 minutes here just to get these ready. All right, I'm not gonna click confirm, but so we got that ready. And then go back here to FreeStockCharts.com, and we just look at these two here. Of course, if I had more currency pairs up, I'd be scanning those as well. But we just keep an eye out for when this line crosses here. This line already crossed, and another candle is formed, which is going down. And I really do not like to place trades when these lines are close to one another. Like here, it probably would have won if I entered a trade here for 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure it would win. And even here, it looks like it's going back up. But I don't know. There's not a lot of space. Here would have won. Here would have won, I'm sure. Even here, definitely here. This looks like it's starting to go up. The nice thing is, if you look right here at this price, 1.10514, and you look over here at Euro USD 105, 1.10518.6, it's identical. So whatever price you get here, I mean the exact same price. And I've been checking this on other brokers as well, even Markets World. And the cool thing is that FreeStockCharts.com is almost on the money with your broker. So for whatever reason, the Metatrader 4 is off. Price is off some, and it's kind of frustrating. Like I said, the nice thing about Metatrader 4 is that you can install custom indicators. And I'm not saying I do not use it. I do not recommend it, but at least try to give this FreeStockCharts.com a chance. And if you want accurate results, and you have to use their indicators, which, if you use this method right here, you should have a pretty high success rate. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a trade on Euro USD for 5 minutes, and just see what happens. Come on. All right. Looks like it's going up. Now I see 10532. 10532 is right on the money. So let's see, should I pause the video? I've got a few minutes. I'm gonna pause the video and come back here in a minute, okay? I'm sure I bored you enough. Alright, let me see here. Alright, I'm gonna pause, I'll be right back, okay? See you in a few. Okay, I'm back. Let me go back to my chart here. The price had actually dipped down. I was out of the money. Now the price has jumped back up, and I'm in the green. And I got about 20 seconds left on this trade. And if you see on my FreeStockCharts.com, the price has been steadily going up in the green. Not tremendously, but it is going up. So hopefully the next, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, another winning trade. Look at that. And it's expiring. Come on. Come to Papa. Uh-oh. Oh well. Oh, this is my life in Afghanistan. Okay. Well, my money went up a little bit. So go back to position history. And I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades today, just using a simple moving average. I have not lost a single trade today. So I've been very patient doing this, like on my lunch break and on my way to work on my cell phone. So anyhow, I'm going to shoot this quick video to show you how to use simple moving average indicator with the FreeStockCharts.com. It's very simple to use, and you don't have to download any software or anything like that. You can use it with Mac or any operating system, right? So since it's totally web-based, I really do recommend this, and the prices are identical to your broker, and which is very helpful. So you can get an accurate idea of how the market is actually doing. So with that said, please let me know if you like this video or if I helped any, and leave some comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as I put more videos out, and join my Facebook group, which is facebook.com/binary options made easy. I'll do everything I can to help you and teach you all the simplest things that will have you success in your business. So with that said, thank you and have a wonderful day.